Hey guys, so per usual, everything on this channel is for educational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. So another week of sideways. I will continue to build the narrative, which is the bullish narrative, in a variety of ways you'll see today in this video. I'll also show you why you shouldn't be trading on leverage based on a few candles. So on weekly CNY, I have yearly pivots, weekly cloud, and again, not much new since last week. We are almost out of the cloud, as you can see here, which is a bullish signal sign. With that should come volume to confirm the breakout. Again, 3K remains a negative target, downside target, bear target, pullback target, however you want to say it. For now and until the indefinite future, basically as long as we remain in this current range, 3K is going to be there as an option. If I just switch over to stamp, same thing. You can see we're almost out of the cloud. 450 looks like the flat Kumo bounce point, bear target, pullback target. Should that happen if we don't break this range, which is completely possible, it's just not what I think is going to happen. And again, I'm looking for volume when we get a candle outside of the cloud resistance. Moving down to daily, this is the index. If you can type in BTC USD IDX, it's an aggregate of a few of the exchanges that OKCoin uses on their futures side. All I did here is draw some diags, and again, nothing new. Support, 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 based on what am I basing it on? Wicks. All this is based on Wicks. This was resistance, right? Resistance, tweezer top, support, excuse me. So again, everyone's looking at 650-ish as a target because that's where the triangle broke down. This whole zone could just be sideways, until something goes up or down. I think it'll be up. So let's go over reasons as to why. And again, this might look busy, but it's pivots and cloud and pitchfork on the daily Bitstamp. And again, I'm highlighting this pre-pump sort of pattern. This was definitely different than now, but you can see we sort of tested the waters as far as this quartile is concerned, with several days below in the blue quartile, just as we are now. A little different here that we tested the Kijun several times. Here we're just testing cloud support, which to me is also bullish. We're above the cloud, or above Kijun, where we have a bullish TK. All this is bullish. This tells me the next few targets are R1, 630, 660, 700. That's using monthly pivots. So that's not anything new, not rocket science. It's really just sort of horizontal resistance. So you may expect potential reversal zones or pullbacks or toppy type candles near each of these pivots. Another thing I'm pointing out here, we currently actually have a Kumo breakout. We do not have the volume. As you can see here, we had a Kumo breakout. We did not have the volume confirmation. So I'm saying is I want volume to be at least above this level to confirm the breakout. The next thing you want to look at is when volume is nearing the top, expect it to hit somewhere in this level, as far as just based on previous Bitstamps concerned. Switch over to the daily 5200 EMAs, again, cleanly above the 50 still. That says to me continuation is definitely still on the table over reversal more than anything. Again, bullish. We also have a chart pattern, inverted head and shoulders. Again, bullish. It looks like it broke some sort of diag, not with any sort of enthusiasm or momentum, But again, I'm looking for volume on this Kuma breakout. I have the yearly pivot on here. So expect some resistance between 715 and 760. Something else you'll notice is the yearly pivot also predicted how clean this support area was along here. So that's kind of interesting. That printed on January 1st, 2016. Now to switch to some untradeable examples of candles that tell you shouldn't be in this on leverage anyway right now. You probably don't need me to show you this, but it's basically just been sideways pump or dump over and over and over and over again, which kind of turns everything into a binary option as far as your position is concerned, depending on your leverage and stop. And the ultimate is Bitfinex, which is just a joke going on a nightmare that doesn't know when to quit at this point. I don't know how anybody can trade there with this sort of stuff. And this is definitely not artifact. This is definitely real. So good luck to anybody trading there. I have nothing else for today. Expecting a move within 2 weeks, minimum, maximum. I think 2 weeks. There's a Chinese holiday that ends on the 8th of October. So I think between the 8th and the 13th, we should see some solid movement one way or another. And happy trading.